Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's McCampy Camper, and I got my SUV decked out with lights. I got the remote control. I'll take that off. Lights are all in. I got them up there. Those other lights will shut off soon. Got a fan down here. Got a rug put over that plywood, and I can change the lights on here to different colors.
I draped a tarp over the curtain rod.
And let's see, I think I can do a strobe. I'm kind of experimenting in it with myself. It changes colors. I got one there and one over here. And I just stuck it on with those things you put your transponders on your windshield for the tollway. They pull off. I don't want to do it now, but they will pull off. I put this curtain rod along here. On that side. Use the the coat hanger for your laundry to bring home hook. I took the balls off both ends of that curtain rod because it adjusts. And same on this side. This side's a little bigger because they're sliders. So like gonna, extend the rod to the size you want. Got it all sealed in here. It's comfortable. I can lay down. Full extended. So it's pretty good. That's a bright light. Now we're in the party mode. I can sit up in here, sort of. And then going out the back, that unlocks it. I got new plungers, so it goes right up. Shut those off. Shut my fan off too. To go underneath here. It's looking in. As far as I want to cook, Everything comes out of there. Nothing's screwed on. Everything's bungee cord in. Just I can cook on that. And I got another one in the house. I could bring 2 if I want.
Now we can go stealth camping in it.
Put all my gear in there. I got room to put gear in there. In there. This rug was only 20 bucks. I already had the Mylar, the bubble wrap stuff. And if I have to go to the bathroom at night, I got this. An extra tape. I always got my knife in case I gotta cut any extra blockage. I got this. And extra little tie straps. But that's how I got that in there. That stays pretty good. Hopefully. It's supposed to hold clothes, so it should be sturdy. But there you have it. All the rest of the little things I can add in here. I want to have like a little table here and sit and eat. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. That's it. I'll check you later. Real quick, I just pull that tarp down, jump in the car, and go. I don't even need to pull the tarp down. The tarp's behind the seat. So that's what my setup looks like.